Alright, hello. Welcome to today's video, and what we're going to be doing today is doing a FNaF engine tutorial. I've seen a couple videos going around with the FNaF engine download, and I removed mine because of issues. And yeah, so I will not be providing any link to the download. Sadly, this is just for all the people who do have it and have been wanting to know how to use it and what to do. So let's first start it off by creating a new project where you want to use pre-made menus, unless you're really wanting to get into the code yourself, which I don't know if I would recommend. Well, I don't recommend it, but I don't know really how to do a lot of it. So yeah, I don't recommend it. But name it whatever you want. So I'm gonna name it FNaF Mashup. As you know, I usually make a mashup, and then the game idea is just something unique. So yeah, just make it something random, I guess. But then you would put your title right here. I'm not going to be releasing this, by the way, because it's just literally just using all the art, but whatever. So you have a bunch of these menus. What you want to do first, is what I recommend, is going to the extensions tab real quick to see if you have any of these installed, because if you do, then that's good, but if you don't, I recommend just clicking up here and then downloading all of these, just because they help with making the game better, especially, where is it, data editor. You can change it so, like, if you set a specific thing to one night, you can change it to that, so then you can test it. So yeah, what you want to do is just these. I would recommend loading so it's easier. And load that, and then that, I don't really know if you would like. It's just if you would like it to be wider with the panorama, so you can make it wider and stuff like that. But let's first go here into the menu section and then click on menu. Or you can just go into these, but there's the menu, the warning, and the news, the game over, and custom night. You can make a lot more things, like where if you I don't know, like you can make cutscenes and stuff like that. It's very interactive. Yeah, so first let's go into the main menu, since these are all pre-made. Click on it, and then what you're gonna want to do is go into the text section, and then type your game name. So I'm gonna do 5, and then to add the space, you're gonna want to put a dash or a slash going down right. Ugh, I don't know. And then put an N, and then that, and then type it, and then do this again, and just for all of them. Oh, it can't have special characters, so you gotta be careful with that, because you can't have the colons and semicolons and all that. So, bam. Then what you can do is just click back on this. Oh. And then go to your background image. And then you can just get one of the menus. Let's see. Bam, so now we have Freddy in the background. You can also go to the music, import. Yeah. Alright, so here is what you want to do. You want to do that. And then you want to go to wherever your thing is, and then you want to find the you want to find the musics and stuff like that and that. So here, if you press this, this will close after a couple seconds, or you can just click, and then bam. So there. And then you have your menu. Alright, I'll be right back. I'm back. So now that you have your menu, what you're gonna want to do is I don't know. Alright, so what you want to do is that you can see here, you can see all this. You can add on your own buttons, like an extras menu. So here, let me add that real quick. Let's just put that right here, and so you can see that. So you can just see the X position. So you can then have it perfectly lined up. And then you can go to text. You can change what it says. And then what you want to do is go, I don't know, I'm going to call it extras. And then you can put it right here, extras menu. And then in the code, you would go down here, add event, keyboard and mouse, when button clicked, and then you'll add the button, which you named extras menu. You can add an action. You can do menu control, go to menu, and then we're going to save that. You have to always do that or else it won't do that. Yeah, and then you can make an extras menu. Bam. And then you can go back into the code for the main menu, and then go down here. And then now it'll go there. Alright. So we have that. I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm back, and what you want to have here, so you can make it where if it shows up on a night after you beat it, so if you want it to show up after you've beaten the night, if you've beaten night 6, then you want to do on menu start, and then type all this, which would be so here's how you would do that. And so you go add event, menu control, on menu start, add action, element manipulation, or no, special conditions, compare general values, and then you would type out this percent data, and then in close brackets, beat 6, and then you would do equal, and then you would put the ID of your game, of your thing, which was of the button, which was extras menu. And then you would click add, do this, then element manipulation, show text, and then oh no, sorry, this is 1, so it'll set that to 1 once it's beat. Alright, and then type extras menu in this show element ID. So I'm going to delete that, but first you want it to be hidden. So you'll do menu control, on menu start, add action, element manipulation, hide element, and then extras menu, save. So bam, if you run it, bam, it's gone. it's not there. I'm gonna delete this real quick just to show you that it works. Alright, hold up. Oh, yeah. Here. Extras menu. I guess it has to be shown first after not hidden. Huh? I'll be right back when I fix this. Alright, so I fixed the problem. It was just that I clicked hide, or I should put it on hide. And also if it's off, and if it's on hide already and then you delete it, it'll keep it hidden until night 6 is beaten. So expression editor, extras menu, bam. So now you have that. Now you can click save current code, back, then you can either start building your extras menu, or you can keep watching the video for let's see, the cameras. Or actually, first we have to do the newspapers, or the news. So yeah, I'll do extras menu on the next video, and so you can just have whatever. So you can just put whatever you want there, and I'll be responding to people for whatever they ask to be, what's it called? Whatever they ask to have put in the extras menu, like, I don't know, a next button to go to the next area, or it just really depends on what you want, and I'll reply and tell you if it will work or anything like that. So let's add a newspaper. So what you want to do is just background image and then import, and then you want to go to your textures and then go to whatever FNaF game. So we have FNaF 2. Yeah, so now you have that. I'll be right back. Let's test what we've done so far. We have the warning, the menu, let's start a new game, and then we have that. And then I recommend closing it just because it crashes if there's no night, and it can just really screw up when it crashes, so we gotta be careful with that. So now let's add an office. So let's get, first I'm gonna do the FNaF 2 office because this is the hardest to code in the game, but at the same time the most fun too because of the light system. So let's find the empty one, the one that's just regular. Alright, I found it. Bam. So you can test how it looks. I personally hate panorama, so I just use that. I'll show how to add light in another video, but yeah. So here, now we have the office, and then you can have, now here's the hard part. We'll be doing animations and scripts. So yeah, we'll do scripts in another video. Maybe I'll do extras menu and the animations in the next video. Let's see. Now that we have that, we should add some cameras, just like the base for cameras. So stage, I'm gonna add another stage. Sorry. Alright, so I'm gonna that's gonna show up, the music box. Don't worry about it. You have to enable it in you have to enable it somewhere, I forgot. But it doesn't show up until you make an animatronic that has, here, I'm gonna do that. Dang. And then music box is their path. So the music box, so yeah, I'm just gonna remove the character. But yeah, you have the flashlights, the lights, cameras, office, additional paths, which can be interesting. Um, so yeah, you can, so here, I'm gonna add 3 cameras, and then I'll do, left, or, main hall, yeah. Alright, so, once you get your, empty sprite, you'll have it here, which I should have edited the painstaking process of me just trying to find it out, but you know, we'll see. So yeah, you have that. Let me update this and I'll be right back when I have it. Alright, so I finally found it. So now we have these 2 cameras. I'll add main hall later, but you know, this video is getting long, so I'm just gonna end it here. I hope you enjoyed. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and hope you guys would like to see more. Maybe we can get at least like 5 likes. So I'll see you guys in the next one.